Hey guys, it's Haig here, and in this video we're going to take a look at how to remove GarGizer system repair. GarGizer is one of the fake diagnostic tools or potentially unwanted program that gets installed when you install software and you don't untick a box. It's a software offer. The way this gets installed is you may have downloaded software and it came bundled with it and you accidentally got tricked into installing this. Once it's installed, it will list that you got lots of problems with the computer. However, in order to do anything, it will state that you must buy the full version of the program. Don't get conned out of $39. This is how you can remove this program off your computer, alright? And right here, Bleeping Computer, before I get underway, has a removal guide for the piece of software here. And I'm going to leave the link in the description box and you can follow through on the removal guide if you're having issues removing it. But in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you the steps to take and how to remove GarGizer off your computer, alright? So let's get right to it. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do to remove this off your computer is we want to find the process that belongs to GarGizer and we want to actually end it. So the quickest way we can do that is come down to the bottom of the start menu and right click. And then when you get that menu to open up, you're going to click on Task Manager. When Task Manager opens up, you're going to look for GarGizer System Repair, and we're going to right click on that and end the task. Alright, once that's ended, we've now killed the task to GarGizer. The next step of the removal process is to come down to the GarGizer icon on your desktop and right click. And you're going to come down to Properties and click on that, and then you're going to see open file location. You're going to click on that, then you're going to come down to where you see the uninstall with 3 zeros, and we're going to double click on that, and we're going to click yes, and that's going to attempt to go ahead and uninstall GarGizer System Repair. We're just going to click on yes, and then it's going to be successfully removed from the computer. That's now uninstalled, and you may want to do a follow-up scan with Malware Bytes, Hitman Pro, ADW Cleaner, and Junkware Removal Tool. So we'll have a go here running Malware Bytes. We're just going to scan it. We're going to also run ADW Cleaner. I will leave the link in the description box for all these softwares. You're just going to actually download these softwares and actually perform a scan just to remove any additional malware that may be on your computer, and as well as the Hitman Pro. We'll have a go at all these scanners. So I mean, there's nothing to it. All you want to do is click next, start and run a scan, and just scan your computer with all 3 of these, and it will find whatever infections are on your computer. So Malware Bytes has already found the GarGizer, and when it does, we're just going to go ahead here and we're going to click Quarantine Selected, and it's going to say that it will have to restart the computer in order to remove it. So we're just going to click yes, and that's going to go ahead and restart the computer. So at that point, all you need to do is download those softwares and have a go at scanning your computer, and that should clear up GarGizer off your computer. And when we log back in, we'll just do a follow-up scan and then we'll end the video. Alright, so now we've restarted the computer. We're just going to have a go at running ADW Cleaner now. And just keep running the scans just to see if there's any additional malware. And after that, we have cleaned up GarGizer off the computer. If you enjoy my videos, remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. And so if you need remote malware removal and computer tune-up, I offer remote support for $25 for the first hour and $50 for unlimited hours. Head over to my Facebook page and contact me there, or phone me. I'll have that information available in the description box of this video. So we're just going to get rid of do a follow-up scan here with ADW Cleaner just to see if we have any leftover malware, and then we'll be done. And that is how you remove GarGizer off the computer. So it didn't find. Alright, so it found a few more things, but anyhow, that's how we remove GarGizer off the computer. If you remember to if you enjoy my videos, remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. And when ADW Cleaner is done, just click Clean, Remove Selected, and it will restart the computer to complete the removal process. And just keep running those softwares, and I'll have the link for them all in the description box. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.